Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pose on profile. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the Roblox application on your PC, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you're using. For me, I'm using Brave, but of course for you, you can open any browser. Once you open that browser, just go and type roblox.com and hit the enter button in the URL section, of course. Then log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Make sure you are above 13 years old, or you'll need some supervising, parents maybe. And of course, when you create your account to log into your account, make sure to verify your email. Please do that. That, first of all, will give you an item to your inventory, a free item. Who doesn't love a free item, right? And that will actually give you the option of resetting your password. So maybe if you forget your password, you can reset it from there, with your email, or if you get hacked, you can change your password. So of course, when you do that, just go and download the game, and of course once it's downloaded in your PC, you'll need to install it and run it, and once you run it, you will need to log in into your account again. So when you do that, you'll find yourself here, the main page, and this main page, or the home screen, and of course from here you will find the games that you recently played, that your friends play in, or the games that Roblox suggestion to you. So of course, if you want to change the pose or how to pose on profile, if you even don't have a pose, simply click at your avatar here at the left, and from here you would like to click at edit profile picture. So when you actually click on that, let me just wait a bit. So of course there is a poses that requires Robux. That means you'll need to buy them, and there are some poses that are free. So as you can see, we have here different poses. We have 4 poses, so choose whatever of them, then click at next. And of course you can like zoom out or zoom in to show your pose. You can even rotate your character if you want. So then click at next, and as you can see, now you'll need to save, and you actually saved change the pose on your profile. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.